Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting algebraic math problem. Root of x divided by x is equal to 18. So in this video, we're going to solve for the value of x. I'll be presenting two different methods. So let's get started. Firstly, let us take note that we have division by x on the left hand side. And that implies that x is not equal to 0. Now let's start with our first solution, but trust me, the second solution will be smarter. So here we have root of x, then divided by x. So this is equal to 18. So in this first solution, we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to have x times 18 is giving us 18x. So this is equal to root of x times 1 is giving us root of x. Now we know we're going to square both sides from here, right? So we're going to have 18x whole squared. So this is equal to root of x whole squared. From here, we get 18 squared is giving us 324. Then x squared is x to the power of 2. So this is equal to, here this square and the square root get cancelled. We're left with x. So take this x to the left hand side. We get 324x squared minus x. So this is equal to 0. From here, we factor out x. We have 324x minus 1 is equal to 0. And we can see that this implies from here that either x is equal to 0 or 324x is equal to, that is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So if you divide both sides by 324, we get x is equal to 1 over 324. And you can see from these two solutions, one is extraneous, so x is not equal to 0. So consider this method provides two solutions, but one is not a solution. So let's see the second method. So for this second method here, we're going to do the following. So we have root of x divided by x, and this is equal to 18. Okay, let's take note of the following. Remember that root of x is simply x raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? Then divided by x to the power of 1, and this is equal to 18. Now from the law of indices, we have that a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n, since they have the same base, is equal to a raised to the power of m minus n. So on the left hand side, this is going to be x raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 is giving us negative 1 over 2. And this is equal to 18. Now to solve for x, we raise both sides of this equation to the power of negative 2. Because that is the reciprocal of negative 1 over 2. So this is what I actually mean. So this is going to be x raised to the power of negative 1 over 2, then raised to the power of negative 2. So this is going to be equal to 18 raised to the power of negative 2. So from here, negative 1 over 2 times negative 2, the two negative 2's get cancelled. We're left with x raised to the power of 1, which is just x. So this is equal to, remember that from the law of indices, a raised to the power of negative n is equal to 1 over a raised to the power of n. So the right hand side, 18 raised to the power of negative 2 will be 1 over 18 squared. And here we get x is equal to 1 over 324. And that is the only solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment, and share.